Hi, I'm Dr. Asha S. Vijay, Medical Director of Garbhagudi IVF Center, Dean and Scientific Director of Garbhagudi Institute of Reproductive Health and Research. We have a very interesting IMA-AMS Fellowship in Infertility course which spans across the whole year. The most interesting part of it is it's once a week classes. I know how busy the gynecologists and obstetricians will be, but they'll be aspiring for a course in infertility. And all the courses which offer this course in infertility will be a regular daily course from morning to evening, attending all the procedures, all the cases. But the busy gynecologists cannot afford time to do this course. They cannot leave back their families, leave back the busy practice, and focus only on infertility. So this is really a blessing in disguise, which has been offered by IMA-AMS in the form of fellowship in infertility, where there is only Thursday classes for 4 hours, and all the experts in this field, andrologists, embryologists, the fertility specialists, everybody will teach you all aspects of infertility from A to Z. And you can observe cases like womb pickups, embryo transfers, testicular aspirations, epididymal aspirations, embryo transfers, laparoscopies, hysteroscopies, all the comprehensive procedures which are required for a fertility setup. And you can also watch the variety of cases which walks into Garbhagudi. We have around 150 to 250 new patients registering into Garbhagudi for infertility services. You can have the variety of cases to observe. Also, you can discuss with our specialists about how to go about in working up for an infertile couple. What is the treatment option we have to give for them? What is the IVF protocol to be used here? How to go about if there is a poor responder? What to do if she is a hyper responder like polycystic ovaries? So you can have a variety, a gamut of cases and observe large amount of beautiful cases here and learn everything about infertility. At the end of the course, you'll be able to do a proper workup for your couple, do your own IUIs. You can have an andrology training also here in the form of preparing your own andrology samples, semen preparations, and you can plan your own IVF stimulations, take expertise from our doctors, in-house doctors, come for home pickups. You can also do your pickups with the help of the experts here. After observing around 25 to 30 cases, you will have all the help from our expert doctors, in-house doctors of Garbhagudi. So you will have an amazing experience here. And the most beautiful part of the Thursday classes, there is access for online classes also. For example, you are held up in the labor room or in the emergency surgery, you can as well sit there and log into the online classes and not miss your Thursday regular classes. So I ask you to have a overlook of the entire infertility course in the form of IMA-AMS and become an infertility specialist.